Okay, we're in Malad. And we're in Oneida County, and I'm here with
Aniston.
Journey.
And Briley.
And how old are you guys?
I'm 16.
17.
And 15.
And while you guys have lived here, have you observed any changes in the climate?
Yes.
Lots of changes in our climate.
Yeah.
And what are those changes?
Long winters and lots of water. Lots of rain.
You're just crazy. It varies. It varies on the year. But this year we had a really long winter, and then we kind of skipped over spring and just went straight into summer.
Do you have anything to add?
No, that's it.
And how does that affect you guys and the people living here?
Well, there was just a lot of water everywhere, and it was flooding all over the roads, so we had to close some of the roads down just because of the long winter and lots of snow, and we weren't really used to that, but this year we got a lot of water, so that's how that changed.
When did you guys first hear about climate change?
5th grade, I don't know.
Kindergarten?
5th grade.
And how did they teach it to you?
Teaching us the cycle.
The cycles, yeah.
What kind of cycles? Like the water cycle?
Yes,
Yeah.
the water cycle, and just how it goes from winter, fall,
So like the seasons?
Yes.
Okay. And one thing scientists are saying is that climate change is causing longer wildfire seasons. Has that affected you guys here?
I wouldn't think so.
Not
It's
really.
been very wet here.
Previous years, it has, but not this year, just because of the water and everything.
Yeah. And do you guys think climate change is going to get worse for future generations?
I feel like it will, just because of all the more people living on the planet, and just like pollution and all of those changes. I feel like makes an impact on climate.
Yeah. And do you think there's anything we can do about climate change?
Not really, because I don't feel like people will listen to us if we try to do changes. But one person can make a difference.
Do you think the government has a role in changing?
Yes.
And what's that role?
You guys aren't doing any talking. I feel like that they could provide different ways to where there's less pollution, or better ways for people to work at their job or go about their day without hurting the planet. Because I feel like it does, the environment, because it does have a big impact on climate.
Yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much.
One other thing,
Never mind.
climate scientists are saying is that due to climate change, there'll be faster snowmelt, which will cause flooding. Have you guys experienced any of that?
Yes, I
Yeah,
feel like
a
we
lot.
definitely
Lots.
have.
Yeah, because we just skipped literally right over spring and just went straight to summer, and then that's when all of the snow, if you went up in the mountains, there's probably still a little bit of snow in the more shady areas, but then it just made all the snow melt, and then all of the water and all the runoff went onto the roads.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how has that affected families here?
Just flooding in people's homes. I actually just had a friend, I went to their house, and he was like, sorry, my house is literally in boxes because my room flooded. We don't know what to do about it. So I feel like just people's homes are being flooded and that sort of way.
Crops and farming has also been flooded, which makes it hard for them.
And what about heat waves and stuff during the summers?
I'm not sure how it'll be this summer just because of the long winter, but usually we'll get up to 90s, that area, and usually it's pretty hot, but I don't know how it'll be this summer.